Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Check this out. I think I might buy it. Ad said, boat for sale. Needs a little work. You can come to the shoe. Look at this thing, huh? Somebody had a real bad day. My goodness. Now all these wrecks are surfacing. This is down at Boulder Beach. Isn't that something? People were enjoying this vessel till one day. Makes you wonder what happened now. These things are surfacing all over the place. The lower the lake gets, the more these things pop up. Okay, well, we're going to continue on. Wind right around Lake Mead here, and we're heading north. Let's head for the van. Well, we're just gonna zigzag and stop on our way out of here. We're gonna finally end up by Valley of the Fire State Park in good old Interstate 15. We're going to cut up into Utah, and we're heading north soon. All of August it's gonna be travel. Okay, up here to the right, see all them trees on the left? That's a bunch of workers there. I work for National Park. Them trees don't look very healthy, huh? They probably can't water them. Off to the right, yes. Boulder Harbor. We'll pull down in there. Check it out. This is history. Not the best history, but it's history. But it's cool to document this. We started clear over actually at Pierce Ferry in the Colorado River, went to South Cove. Look at that sign say launch closed, I bet. There's an old marina harbor boatyard up there on the left, huh? But we started over Pierce Ferry, South Cove, Temple Bar, Hemaway Marina, Lake Mead Marina, the boat launch over there. Wasn't that crane lifting that boat cool? Also, I stand corrected. There was 8 places to launch on Lake Mead, not 6. I said 6 the last video. I apologize. I stand corrected. There's 8. But out of the 8, there's still only 1 working. Look at this. Look how far. This was back in the day. Then they added this concrete road here. This shows you the kind of engineering, manpower, and money spent over the last 20 years as this lake has dropped. Just the cost of putting in this stuff. Oh wow, look at it straight ahead. We'll get out and take a walk. We're almost the end of July here too, and it's hot. Heat wave across the country. But it's early morning. Alright, get parked. Wow, look at that. No water here. Goodness, I guess Years ago, what, 20 years ago, I'd be under about 100 foot of water. Maybe, I don't know. Looks like they got a little road there. Four-wheel out. I'm not taking a van out there. No way. I've seen too many videos of people getting stuck around the lake here. Just dry. Look at this. Imagine all the years of all the boats that launched here. You know, pretty much this is gone for good. It's gonna take years, probably decades, if Mother Nature comes back and gives us water again. They're just taking too much water out. Here's the old light pole. Wow, that's a solar light. Wonder if it still works. But look at this. As far as you can see, nothing but lake bottom, old muddy lake bottom. I'll guarantee you, if a guy was able to metal detect here legally, I'm sure people are doing it, you would find coins, rings, jewelry, sunglasses from all the people launching boats. And probably a lot of trash and junk, beer bottles, cans. Who knows what's down underneath that mud. There you go. Here's Boulder Harbor. What's left of it. I think the next one up is Las Vegas Bay, Las Vegas Marina, Las Vegas Bay. There's a campground up there too. Back in May, I went up and checked the campground. That was pretty cool. Dry camping. You know, this dock's still pretty good shape. Most of them I've seen have been pretty destroyed. Not bad. All right, let's get trucking. Too bad they couldn't do something with all this concrete and big ramps. Turn into like a big day use area for picnicking. Something. Could almost land an airplane on this stuff. Those mountains look cool out there, huh? We're not that far from Vegas, right over those mountains there. Well, cool. Back on Lake Mead. I think it's Lake Mead Road, Lake Mead Boulevard. It'll wind us all the way around over to Colville Marina, Echo Bay, clear up into Overton. This winter, I'm going to come up here and do some camping for sure. Here we are. I didn't stop at the overlooks. There's just not much to see. Water's too far gone. Right up here, see the building? This should be Las Vegas Bay. This is where our campground is too. Campground's still open. Big boat storage here. That building is closed. Everything here is shut down. Boat launch wise. Well, what do you say? Let's drive down to the end. check her out. Looks like a maintenance yard over there to the right. Some offices. They're open. I've really noticed when you talk to the national park people here, and they do talk to you, they're very, very nice, very well informed. You see the look of frustration on their face. You know, for years they've been working here. They hate seeing this thing go away. Wow, look at this thing. This is a long ramp. Well, what do you say? We'll stop up here and we'll walk on down. Let me get parked here. I can actually hear water running. This thing's been closed for a while. Look at this. Look at all the gravel here. So when it rains, this is like a big wash. That water just pours down through here. Too bad some big storms just don't roll through here and give this thing a good drink. I can hear water though. Huh. Yay, look at here. Water going in. That's coming out of Vegas. I think they recycle their water. Wow. Finally something good, huh? They sure take the water out too. You know, they lowered that one intake. Las Vegas ain't gonna run out of water for a long time. Everyone else will. Well, good. Something good. All right. Up. Back to the van. Look how steep these things are. See, this is what you need to launch a boat, something that's steep, so you don't have to back in so far. That was the problem down at that other marina that's still open. It's so flat, you gotta back in. Water's coming in the doors of your vehicle. That's why that guy had to get that crane, lift that big boat in there. But it's finally good to see something going into Lake Mead, not coming out. Cool. This is the last boat launch on this side of the lake. I will definitely come out here this fall and stay at their campground here at Las Vegas Bay. Water or no water, it's a perfect little campground. And we're at the end of it right here. Here's the other entrance in. Make a right. We're gonna head towards Overton. There is a massive housing development there. Look at all the greenery. There's even a lake. How'd you like to live there with that view? Those must be like condos or something, overlooking the lake and then backside of Lake Mead. There's where all that water's coming from. Las Vegas Wash. Look at that, they're still building. They're building a bunch of them in there. That's huge. Then I stopped here before. This is Government Wash. This is on our way up to Colville Marina. You can see it is so closed. It's been closed a long, long time. Probably for years and years. Oh, no parking on the launch ramp. Okay. You know what's out here at the end of this thing, though, is that it's become iconic, is that boat that's sticking straight up and out of the water. It's been on all kinds of videos. Here's a aerial shot. Okay, we're off to Colville Marina, Echo Bay. Journey continues. Talk soon.